So we're sailing on a beam reach in about 20 knots of wind, going from the Tobago Keys over to Petit St. Vincent. We're going to make a stop in Mopion. I just wanted to take a short movie here and show you Monet 2, how she handles the seas. And we have a few good sized swells coming through every now and then, maybe 4 to 6 feet. But Monet 2 sails very fast. And to give you an idea, I've got 2 reefs on the main right now. And I've got the jib rolled out about maybe 2/3. And we're doing, how fast are we going right now, Gary?
6'8".
6'8". That's Gary. So Gary's a boat owner, and this is his first trip on Monet 2. We've been out for about 6-7 days now.
6'6".
And what do you think of her as a sailing vessel?
Fastest sailboat I've ever been on.
How about the comfort and systems and stuff?
This is the boat, if you're ever going to go cruising in the Caribbean, this is the boat to go on. This is comfortable.
And did I pay you to say that?
No, not yet, but it was, it is. It's one of the fastest sailboats I've ever seen at this size. Comfortable, easy to sail. Great comfort features. And a wonderful captain.
So obviously we could, if we wanted to, we could put more sail out. But heck, we're doing 6.5, close to 7 knots. We're not going that far. And by having it, being conservative and not letting out as much sail, it's a more comfortable sail, and especially when you have guests on board who aren't used to sailing, it makes just for a much more comfortable sail. So